Happy Friday, y'all. We're at the station here. It's early in the morning again. Yeah, it's 6, almost 7. Um, we did some early briefing and I got my normal cruiser back from the 4th of July. Happy Friday. We're just gonna head out here. So we're headed back to the bakery. Well, now it's 7 p.m. Why is my blinker still on? We're driving here. Jeez. I almost run this red light several times because I'm not used to it being here. Green? Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm not used to that light yet. Let's order some stuff. I love this new bakery they put here. And we still have yet to go to the theaters. I didn't even enjoy my food last time. Lol. So we had early briefing. Nothing much. I'll order a brownie and a cookie. Thank you. Okay. Alright, I'm just gonna grab my food here. You know what? We'll take a drive by the coffee place. I guess. So let's go. Almost didn't see that light. I'm not used for it being here. Let's get a little closer though, not running though. There we go. Not bad light. Ooh. Totally forgot the new station. So let's head towards the city. Let's head towards the city. Alright, we're back here. So yeah, we've been getting some high winds lately. I don't know if y'all can tell with my driving low. Look, see my car's driving off. It's been windy. I can't slow down for crap. We're just hanging in the city for some coffee. I forgot dispatch show me available. 10-8. So we're just stopped here because the wind got strong for a bit. And I see these lights I'm used to. Though they're on wires now. Hopefully the wind doesn't snag them. Ooh, oh, I ran it. Coffee. Does that say do not enter? Oh, we're going to make a U-turn right here. I passed the entrance. Ooh. Oh, please don't turn red. Jeez. Oh, it's red. We're gonna have to wait. So we'll see you guys when it's green. Okay, so the light just turned green. Finally, I think I'm going to the drive-through. I'm not going in. Hello. Can I get coffee? Yeah, alright. Thank you. Let me pay. There we go. Alright. Head back on patrol. We're gonna park in the park. I don't think that makes sense. Park in the park. Oh, the mod shop or the auto shop. Fire Department Station 1. I missed my first turn. Wow. I'm such a bad parker. There we go. Alright, got my stuff here. We're in the city park. The reason why we're not going to the movie theaters is because I'm on shift now. I know it's Friday, but just gonna eat in the park here. And yeah, I'll see you guys when I'm done. Hey guys, we're back. I hear my radio go off. So let's see the call here. Oh, wrong one. Calls. Oh God. Yeah, I already knew that call was gonna come in. I am not surprised. The wind, although it's clear and kind of cloudy. We got some storms moving in all this week. I saw the forecast. And I just clicked that revive button. Damn it, not reload. We'll check that out later. We're gonna respawn. Run out the code right now. So we're just gonna show us. Dispatch show us en route. Had to pull over for a bit. Slow down as we come down this hill. Whoa, 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 there we go. Here's the new police station. We're pulling up to. Look at it. Wow. They got the whole thing remodeled. Whoa, whoa. Whoa. Crazy wind. This president knocked down any power lines. Heck yeah, so here's the new police station. Can't really see much, but this. Oh, trust me, it gets worse. It's hurricane season, so yeah. I hope these don't end on the floor. A whole bed. Where did this come from? Sheesh. Get some drone footage of this. Alright, so yeah, we're gonna just head back to our car and dispatch, show me on scene. Jeez, so yeah, we'll be right back after DOT comes. So we're back over here, it's been cleared up. Pretty sure it's gonna start raining here in a bit. Let me just turn off my lights. So yeah, here's the new police station. Can't go inside because, well, yeah. Wow. Wow, look at that. I heard they was gonna upgrade the logo here in a bit, but wow. That's nice. Alright, dispatch, show me 10A available again. Back on patrol. It's 10 in the morning, so yeah, that took a while. I still got a few hours left on my shift, so might as well. So might as well just finish the rest. Oh, fine. So yeah, we'll be right back after another call. So while I was driving around, I just remembered I didn't get a chance to eat my cookie. So yeah, we're gonna do that right now. We're parked over here near Chinatown. So yeah, I'll see you guys, I guess, when I'm done. Alright guys, we're back here. I'm just gonna exit my vehicle. Oh, it's been hot and humid out here lately. It's 12. It's afternoon, so it's gonna get hotter throughout the day. Lucky I have AC in here. I'll go tear up my tires. Ooh. Don't run that outside. We could go through Chinatown. So we just went through Chinatown. These power lines look so cool. I'm not gonna lie. These new poles. I don't know why I keep looking at the map. Alright. Let's go. Tunnel. Underground tunnel. Well, I've never been to this lake in a while. You want one parking actually, guys? I'm dirtying my car. I'm surprised it's not dirty by now. Let's just park it up. Just park it up. Ooh. Okay, I think that's perfect. Yeah, this is a little pond area. What I've noticed here, there's a little down tree over here. Yeah, right here there's a tree that's half buried. I'm surprised they haven't taken care of it yet. Yeah, it's in the water. Ooh, this water's hot. Not much to see under here, huh? Let's get out here. This water. Look at my waterproof camera. That water's hot and I'm wet. Yeah, I'm gonna stand out in the sun for a bit to dry off after I wash my uniform anyway. Hopefully. So yeah, we'll be right back. Okay guys, so we got a new call, oil burial power plant. Dispatch, show us en route. MDT. Calls, oil spill. Alright, let's go. Just gonna try that this way. We'll go code 2. I'm scratching at my car here. God, this wind. On the extreme, we can't be there. We're going so fast. This map, oh my jeez. I don't know what's going on. Yeah, there's some grass in the road. Over here. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. Now that's serious. Building on fire. The winds are strong. Jeez. Now we need to call FD down here. Yeah, so while we wait for FD to come here, we'll see you guys when we're done. Whoops. Yeah, FD came, yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna finish the rest of my shift off camera. Hopefully you guys have a good Friday. And no further ado, make sure you like and subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace out, everyone. No. Go, car. Phew.